Finish up a brake job on this Honda Accord. I want to take a few seconds just to introduce our new Fast Blast brake cleaner. What we've done is we've added an ergonomic trigger to the top of this that has a very high blast. With the added trigger, we've added the mechanical breakup of the pressure and superior chemicals, and this will help you get your job done a lot faster. I hope you found this useful. As always, please like and subscribe, and if you want to get notifications, click on the bell, and we'll see you on the next video.